welcome back. Today I am going to show you guys how to make Jamaican fried Bammy. If you want to know how to make Jamaican fried Bammy, you have clicked on the right video. So I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican fried Bammy. So like, share, leave a comment down below. If you aren't already subscribed, please do, and if you like this video, like and leave a comment down below. Stay tuned. So what I'm gonna use to make this Bammy, I'm gonna soak the Bammy in some coconut juice, and I have 2 Bammy right here. See them? 2 Bammy. So you can go ahead and use canned milk. You don't have to use coconut milk, but if you can get fresh coconut, why not use fresh coconut? As I said before, go ahead with tin milk. Now you're gonna get your sieve or your strainer. You're gonna pour this on top of the Bammy. So the Bammy is going to soak up all this natural coconut juice. So you're going to leave them to soak for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it to give it some flavor. And this is about 1 cup of coconut juice or coconut milk. And you can just add 1 can of coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of salt. See? I want this to soak up all the juice. To give it a nice flavor. Leave to soak for 20 minutes. See, now they're rehydrated and ready to be cooked. They're very moist, they're not dry again. So that's the purpose of the coconut juice. And now you're gonna cut it into whatever shape you want or size. I'm gonna cut some into 4 and cut some into sticks. But as I said, you can cut them whichever way you want. Sticks just like this. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna fry the Bammy. We're gonna start by turning on the stove and put the oil to hot. And you wanna do a deep fry, not a shallow fry, because you want them to be nice and golden. A deep fry. So you're gonna wait on the oil to hot, then you add them in. We're gonna add them into the pot because the oil is nice and hot. So you know you want to fry them until they're golden brown, nice and crispy. I'm giving them a turn. You're gonna want to fry them for at least 5 minutes. Until you see they are golden brown. You want to add a paper towel onto a plate to drain off the excessive oil. So now they're done, I'm going to take them out of the pot, drain the oil. See them? Golden brown. Nothing more than this. If you go any further, they're gonna burn up. See, they're nice and crispy. And now I'm gonna add the rest. You know, these sets are done too. So the key is deep fry and soak them in coconut juice. This is it, guys, my fried bammy, Jamaican style. So if you enjoy watching this video, please like, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you aren't already. Subscribe, share please, and try this recipe. I want to make you some bammy, and you can eat this with some fried fish, escovitch fish, whatever you like, or you can also eat them just like this. So I'm gonna try one. Nice and crunchy. Oh my god. See? Thanks for watching. Easy and quick. Bye guys.